make a sentence using zero conditional? Make a sentence for us. Okay, I don't think she hears us, right? Oh, she does.
ما مستحيل يقسم مثال الجملة عن
You make a sentence, yeah, zero conditional. Here it says if you heat water, it boils. Now you make a sentence. For example, if or when if, for example, okay, so let me ask, I can't hear clearly. There's a little bit of a noise on the line. So what would you say to this one, Khatfirin? Can you make a sentence for this one?
If you like wood, it burns.
If you like food,
Like wood.
if you like wood,
If you like wood,
uh-huh.
it burns.
I'm sorry, can you say it in Kurdish? I don't think I follow. ما بس تقول
بختك أريد دارك بالفيدا الصوتي.
okay. If you
Light wood.
light, I
Yes.
thought you said if you like wood. And I
No.
was back. What?
Light.
Light. Okay, yeah, you're right. Yes, it burns if you. Okay. Thank you. You make a sentence for zero conditional. Khatugulba.
Teacher, for example, when you don't water plants, it's died.
Yes, if you don't water your plants, they die. Yes, okay. This is something which is always true.
ما مستأجر مثلا سيس بيد مثلا شي بي ألان.
It
تجمر
wilts,
دب.
or with it starts to wither, or it starts to wilt. Sizde burada. Wither or wilt, we say. Wiltish که هر معمولی دانسته. W-I-L. If you don't water your plants, it will start, or it starts to wilt, yeah. They start to wilt. Okay, now in 48.4, we've got to match the beginnings of some sentences to the correct endings. Now, would you please read us the example, Kakfaro? The one which is not numbered, put in a gray box. When carbon...
When put up...
No, 48.4, the example. When carbon...
When carbon reacts with oxygen,
yes, okay.
you get carbon dioxide.
Yes, you get carbon dioxide. Yes, dioxide, I apologize. So when carbon reacts with oxygen, you get carbon dioxide. Yeah, you're right. Sometimes you get carbon monoxide, but here usually dioxide is the result. So this was the example. Now let's move on to have a look at number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 1 or 2 minutes. 1 minute. I'll be back in 1 minute, and we shall go over the answers together. Okay. Thank you. Okay, I think we are good to go, aren't we? So number 1, Khatunestin, you please.
If you throw a ball up, it falls down again.
Okay, thank you. Yes, of course. If you throw a ball up, it falls down again. And that's because of gravity, Geranish. Okay. Number 2, you please, Khatkale. If you mix,
If you mix blue and yellow paint, you make green paint.
yes, okay, mix blue and yellow. Yeah, you're right, green. Number 3, you please, Khashir.
Number 3, when you freeze water, it turns to ice.
You're right, thank you. And number 4, you please, Khatukul.
If you put sugar in water, it dissolves.
Dissolves, yeah. Okay.
Dissolves.
Yeah, it does. Okay. Number 5, you please, Khatubana. If you set fire to paper, what happen? I'm sorry, what happens if you... Okay, no response. Okay, don't worry about it. Okay, Rashid, you please, number 5. If you
set fire to paper, it burns.
It burns, yes, of course. And this reminds me of your example. If you set fire, if you light wood, it burns. Thank you. Number 6, Kak Farooq.
If you don't water plants, they die.
They die, yes, of course. Okay, Khatkala, you please, number 7.
When you boil water, you produce steam.
Yes, thank you. You produce steam. If you do, you remember the expression steam engine, motor bukhar, which was, I think, one of the greatest achievements, which practically started the Industrial Revolution back in the late 18th century, or in the first of the 18th century in Britain, I think. So steam engine was really important. Thank you. Hopefully we got all of them right, and I think we are good to go. So this is what's the name of this structure again, Kak Farooq? This is Nevisible. What's the name of this structure? What is the name of this structure? And again, it is called...
Always true.
Yes, it is called zero conditional. Zero. Shartino is صفر. Right? When do we use it then, Khatu Golban? We use this structure when?
We use it for scientific.
When you talk about scientific facts, things which are always true. Thank you. خاتو بانه الان دنگی من نه خاتو شیرین خاتو کالی کاک فاروق خاتو نسرین
دنگی من
نازم Sipkane. It says no, I don't know. Anyway, okay, Khatu Nasrin, so what is so special about zero conditional? I mean, what was the point about syntactic?
The both of parts, the sentences
should be
in simple present.
Thank you. That's all. This is zero conditional. Thank you, Khatu Nasrin. This is one. Very well. Okay, this is a reading practice. It says, read the article and answer the questions. Fun science. Static electricity. Very good. So the first one says, static electricity can make your hair stick out. Stick out, stick out. This is true, false, or not. This is true. Okay, Khachir, number 1.